30 days, every design task, every client deadline, every piece of content for this channel. One rule, Canva AI only, no Adobe. I have 5 honest findings from that experiment, including one area where I had to admit Canva is not yet close to Adobe, and one area where Adobe has no real answer. No sponsor paid for this video. This is a genuine 30-day experiment replacing every Adobe tool with Canva for real client work and channel production. Before the results, Canva AI 2.0 arrived on April 16, 2026 at Canva's annual Create event in Los Angeles. It is the platform's biggest update since it launched in 2013. Canva describes itself now as an AI platform with design tools, not the other way around. If your mental model of Canva is 2 years old, this video updates it. 5 categories, 5 honest verdicts. First round, speed. For most design tasks a content creator or small business owner actually does, social media graphics, presentation slides, YouTube thumbnails, email headers, Canva takes roughly half the time. Templates load instantly. Drag and drop works the way your brain expects. AI background removal, magic resize, and object generation are one click, not 3 menus. Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator are professional tools built for precision. That precision adds friction for everyday tasks. A graphic that takes 8 minutes in Canva takes 18 minutes in Photoshop for a non-specialist. For volume design work, the time advantage alone justifies the switch. Second round, professional print. Canva handles screen-based design well. Print is a different discipline. Color profiles, bleed settings, and CMYK color management, all of which matter when submitting files to a print supplier, require more manual handling in Canva than in Adobe. Professional print designers doing packaging, large format output, and branded collateral for physical production will find Adobe Illustrator and InDesign still the stronger choice here. This gap is real, and Canva has not yet closed it. Third round, AI capability in 2026. Adobe's AI features are strong but scattered. Firefly handles image generation in one app. Generative Fill is in Photoshop. AI video tools are in Premiere Pro. A designer working across visual formats needs to switch applications constantly. Canva AI 2.0 integrates everything in a single workspace. Text-to-image, background removal, magic resize, brand kit application, video generation, and presentation AI are all accessible without switching tools. For someone who does not want to manage multiple application windows, this integration is a genuine advantage. One honest limit. The free tier includes only around 50 AI credits each month. That covers 5 to 10 image generations or 2 to 3 longer AI writing tasks. Regular AI use will push most creators toward the Pro plan at $15 a month. Fourth round, the cost reality. Adobe Creative Cloud Pro, every app in the suite, costs $69.99 a month. That is $840 a year. A single app like Photoshop alone costs $22.99 monthly, or $275 a year. Canva's free plan handles the majority of tasks a content creator, small business owner, or marketing professional actually needs. Pro adds significantly more assets and higher AI credit limits at $15 a month. For a creator producing social media content, YouTube graphics, and presentations, Canva Free covers around 90% of what Adobe's full suite provides at a fraction of the annual cost. The calculation is not close for that audience. For a professional designer billing clients for brand identity, packaging, and precision print work, Adobe's depth is still worth the investment. Fifth round, professional design complexity. Canva is not Illustrator. For brand identity work requiring precise vector control, custom typography handling, complex multi-artboard layouts, and print-ready production files, Adobe Illustrator and InDesign are still the professional standard. Graphic designers building visual systems for large organizations, creating packaging, or delivering work to professional print production will find Canva's limitations real at this level of complexity. This is not a flaw in Canva. It is a tool built for a different audience. Canva is for the 90% of design tasks that most people do. Adobe is for the 10% that require professional-grade precision. The Honest Scorecard from 30 days of real work. Canva AI wins on speed, AI capability in 2026, and value for most creators and small businesses. Adobe wins on professional print quality and complex design precision. If you produce content for screens, social media, YouTube, presentations, marketing materials, Canva AI 2.0 now covers the full workflow at a fraction of the Adobe cost. The free plan handles most of it. Pro at $15 a month handles the rest. If you produce work destined for print, packaging, or professional brand systems, Adobe is still the right foundation. Subscribe for more honest tool comparisons every week. Drop a comment. Which platform does your workflow rely on right now? See you next time.